everyone, very good morning. Today we are at SECon 2025 Kolkata, sitting at round table. We are here with our section editor and chief editor who is a part of surgery SS course. So I would like hand over this to sir. Sir, kindly introduce yourself and so that we can proceed further.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sunil Shenvi. I am a senior consultant in GI, HPB and multi-organ transplant surgeon. I am working in Bangalore. I did my MS MCH in GI surgery from TGI Chandigarh, and then I did my training in transplant surgery from MUSC, South Carolina, USA. And I've been working in Bangalore for almost 10 years now.
Great. So, sir, as we have launched super specialty yesterday, so how would you suggest students about spending from MS to SS? How can they start learning from MS to SS?
So the course what we designed as surgery SS, it was a natural progression based on the need of the students.
Okay.
So last year we launched surgery MS, which was predominantly for surgery residency and for NEET SS preparation, and we focused more on building basic concepts of surgery for surgery residents. In surgery SS, now we are focusing on preparing them for super specialty.
Right.
Now we are moving from knowing surgery to understanding in depth about each subspecialties.
So, sir, this course, as we have added super specialty, which competitive exams are being focused through this course? Can you please tell our learners?
So the course what we have designed now, the surgery SS course, it caters to surgery residents,
Great.
for people who are preparing for NEET SS, who are preparing for INA SS, and who are also getting trained in super specialty like GIHBB surgery or urology, cardiac surgery, plastic surgery. So it has been designed in a way that it is going to help everybody.
Great. That's my personal question. If you are talking about it's from entry to exit.
Yeah.
So is it like clearing all the exams through this course?
Yeah. So what is happening in this course is we are starting with clinical examination, long cases, short cases. Then we have 3 lectures based on Sebastian and Bailey and Lau.
Okay.
And then we have a lot of MCQs. And then this time we have also added lectures on GI surgery, plastic surgery,
Yes.
all for people who are preparing for INISS. So the course covers everything which is needed for a surgery resident.
Great, great.
If you are appearing for INISS, you have 2 papers. One is general surgery paper, which is similar to NEET SS paper.
Okay.
The other paper you have to appear is for a particular specialty, whichever you are interested.
Right, right.
So all those things have been addressed in this course.
Great. So we have a combination of everything at one place. I think that is very useful for all the students. So I just it's keen to know like how many like case discussions or the real BS scenarios do we have in the course? Are they covered for the users?
Yeah. So what we need to understand is in today's world, even if you are appearing for NEET SS or INISS, USMLE, everywhere they are asking you questions based on various clinical scenarios.
Exactly.
So it's very important to understand core concepts. You know facts, that is not enough. You have to have understanding about clinical case scenarios. You should know how to pick up those key points in those questions and then how you are going to address that problem. They are also relevant for your clinical practice also. So this way in our surgery SS, it's more of a case-based discussion which focuses on building concepts which will give you orientation towards the real life scenarios. And we also have multiple live sessions.
Okay.
There are also case discussions in this app.
Great, great. Because that is the most important question what everybody asks. So, are the protocols or the guidelines are being followed for the recent guidelines are followed in the course?
Yeah. So when we are practicing, we have to follow the recent guidelines, and these guidelines are dynamic. They keep changing. So good thing about surgery SS course is we included all recent guidelines, and we are constantly updating them. So whenever new guidelines come, we include them in the NEET SS surgery course. So like that, it is continuously updated, and it is based on all the recent guidelines, recent updates.
Okay, great. One last is that what is the last minute advice you wanted to give to all the students, those who are appearing in the exams or in their practical exams or they are the residents?
Yeah, so many students ask me this question, and everybody is overwhelmed. So the simple way to prepare for an exam is, firstly you have to have your plan. Your strategy has to be clear one, and then you have to focus on building concepts, and then you have to revise. So these three are the most important things.
Great, sir. So, last question. Why DigiNerve, or what is unique about DigiNerve?
Unique about DigiNow, most of the part of DigiNow is designed, and most of the lectures, all the MCQs are prepared by doctors who are in clinical practice. Majority of them are from AIMS, PGI, or any other institute which has national eminence. So it's going to help you in a way that you get ready to appear for INISS, and it will also help you to get ready for your clinical practice. It's going to be challenging with the evolving time.
Great. That surgery from first day is a practical course, I guess. So, sir, thank you so much for being here with us at SECon, and thank you. I hope we grow with you,
Yeah.
and we would bring more subscriptions to the course. So, thank you so much, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.